Welcome to another Joyride venture of the C10 build. If you're just joining us, we picked up a 1963 C10 from an estate sale that was left abandoned in a field. We got her started and driving kinda, then discovered a few issues. I've decided not to invest too much time in getting the inline 6 running and just go ahead and move on to swapping a V8 into it. Here we are now in search of an engine for the C10. Sit tight and enjoy the joyride of this vlog. It gets pretty crazy. Our friend Chad rips a burnout in his garage. We get pulled over on the hunt for an engine, nearly flipped a side-by-side, but that look on our face right there, priceless. What's your makeup you're putting on?
This country songs that you hear about.
You gonna make me want you when you put that makeup on. So we're picking this vlog up and we're gonna go head over to, okay, was it Fort Ashby or some, I don't know, it's somewhere up in West Virginia. We're gonna go look at an engine. So that's what we're gonna do now, and this could possibly be the engine that we swap into the C10. What do you think?
No, we're just looking at it.
Just looking at it?
Look at it.
We are? Yeah. What kind of engine is it? Say hi.
Hi.
Liam's just staring at you.
Well, he was tickling me and I screamed and then you...
They just started dating recently. What? He's a looker. He just likes to stare.
Babe.
That's every 5 minutes when I'm driving. We can officially get the vlog started. Yeah. He's pulling me over for that stop sign.
Oh, that means rip the back.
Yeah. I apologize.
Stopped you?
Yes, I ran right through that stop sign.
Where y'all headed to?
Fort Ashby area.
What's up in Fort Ashby?
I'm supposed to go look at an engine for a truck.
Okay. Do you have your insurance and registration?
Maybe.
I came up through there, and then right as I went through it, I was like, shit, that's a stop sign, and I'm like, crap.
Yeah, it's such a bad spot. We actually get people blow it all the time, and we get like major wrecks there. And
oh, I bet. Like we got lucky because when we came through it, I'm like, because I was telling her, I was like, I'm so lucky. There's like nobody right here, because that could have been really bad.
At night, people actually turn their lights off.
Is that your registration?
Yeah.
That's your registration.
Yeah.
I just have all my expired ones in here, so I didn't know if that was the right one.
Thank you. All right, guys, hang tight. No weapons or anything. In
No, just camera equipment.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah.
Not worried about that. All right, guys, just hang tight. I'll be right back with you. Get you on your way. Okay?
Thank you. You think I'm gonna get a ticket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's like a little town, you know.
Yeah. Revenue. If I don't get a ticket, I'll be very surprised. What did you say? Are we going to jail? Probably. Yeah.
There you are. There's your stuff back. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not from this area, you know. Do me a favor, get your updated insurance card. That way you have it in here, all right? But yeah, that stop sign is a very bad spot, so I'm glad nobody was coming the other direction. But
Yeah.
try and be a little more aware with me. People on this road, they drive a little crazy. So, all right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry about
That's all
that.
right. You guys have a good day.
Thank you. That was nice. She let us go.
Mama, Dad, what did like the sheriff that works at my school?
It does?
Yeah.
The one that reads you books?
I'm stopping. Don't worry.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your left.
What we need, one of these big, huge garages right here. And we could actually probably fit the RV in this thing, because look how tall these doors are. 250 bucks. That's what he paid for that. All right. Yeah, that thing is sweet looking, man. We need one of these. Look, you got like a little loft up there. This thing is sweet. This isn't the actual engine that we're getting, babe, but we are going to go and look at a 350. You said it's in your friend's Impala? If he looks familiar, it's because he's been in the videos before, not because he looks like Larry the Cable Guy. This was a little over a year ago, but we featured Chad's 55 Chevy on an older vlog. Only the OGs might remember this one. Oh, wow.
Yeah. one thing I don't like.
Yeah, because you could be riding in there and the kids can knock it out. That's what I want to do. If we convert it over to the auto, do it on the column.
Yeah.
Is there cold air blowing out somewhere?
Yeah, probably. Push that little knob in.
Right here. That's how you turn the AC off. So this is a buddy of yours place, right?
Yep.
And he's got the 350, which is in an Impala. Do you know the year?
I think he said it was 60, 68, 69, I think.
Okay. And he's got a 350 in there with the turbo 350 trans, and we're gonna go take a look at that.
I got more paperwork on this car than most people do in brand new cars.
It don't smoke at all.
So you didn't see any smoke? Definitely a lot better than my truck. Mine won't stay running. As soon as it gets warm, it just wants to shut off. But I think mine's got a bad head gasket. Well, it runs. Well, it drives, Chad. Well, hit it. Oh, it works. It works. See, we're good. See, the only thing that we're going to need is a carb. And this is a Holly carb, and you said it needs to be rebuilt?
Yeah.
Is this the one that goes with that?
That's where that other hose goes. Off the
Oh, the other hose?
Yeah, the one that comes
Okay.
off the exhaust.
Just looked at the 350, so he's asking $600 for the engine and the trans. It didn't smoke at all. You didn't see any smoke, did you?
No.
It sounded good. It just needs a little bit of cleaning up, and it needs a new carburetor. And you said replace the intake while you have it all done, gaskets and all that.
Well, you got it out that's easy to work on.
Right.
Got it all right there.
So, seems like a pretty good deal. What do you guys think? Should we go ahead and get it? As soon as I give him the money, he said that's when he'll start pulling it out.
Yeah.
So right now the ball's in my court, and I don't know. I'm still undecided. I don't know.
Can't get wrong with me.
Yeah, I do want to put a V8 in there.
I mean, the inline six is cool and all, but
Well, I was waiting for you to donate your engine to me out of this.
we can do the LS swap between turbos.
Yeah, there you go. Why don't you just do that and just sell me your engine? How
I don't
much?
even know what it's worth.
I'll give you $650 more than what I was going to give him.
For a big block.
Yeah, well, I'll give you $700. Put your LS swap in here, do what you always wanted to do. Comment in the comment section, tell Chad he needs the LS swap, throw some boost at it, and then donate the engine to JD.
I wonder if I can get a tax write-off for that.
If you donate it, we're heading back to the house. We're going to go grab the wife's, and I'm hungry. We need to get some food.
We need to go for a side-by-side ride.
Side-by-side ride?
Yeah.
You said you do he's been trying to take me for this side-by-side ride for a while, and I'm a little nervous.
It's got boost.
Is it turbo?
Yeah.
Wow.
You didn't read the window?
No, I
The half
didn't.
windshield? It says boost the balls on it.
So this is what Chad's been trying to get me to go for a ride in for a while. I'm a little bit nervous, but saying, you said, what has it got? Some sort of electronic suspension or?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got live valve suspension on it.
Dude, this thing looks just insane, dude.
Shit, this thing is turbo.
Send it.
Don't, no, don't. Don't go through the test. Don't flip or anything.
Huh?
I said don't flip or anything.
Like I said earlier, grab your arms like this.
Don't go really fast though. I don't want to be paralyzed.
You won't be paralyzed. You might walk with a limp.
The suspension is crazy. It doesn't even hurt.
Right now it's
I
in,
keep thinking that it's gonna hurt.
well, right now it's in sport. It's got 3 different modes: comfort, sport, and firm. Firm is like the hardest.
Yeah.
So like right now it's in firm. It probably should bottom out and move back down this way. I'll show you comfort here in a second.
What?
I'll show you comfort in a second. It's fun.
Yeah.
You still holding on to your
Yeah.
harness?
How was it?
Neither one of you
fun.
screamed.
Huh?
Neither one of you screamed.
No.
Have Sarah go on it.
All right, Chad. Send it. looked at the 350 that was in that Impala. I was also told to go with the older 350s because they made a lot more power. I think that's the direction I want to go, is with a 350, just because it's simpler and easier to use on these. I've kind of gotten to the point.
Keep trying to get this one started, even though you know you're gonna switch it over anyway.
I don't want to keep throwing money at this because we already know we're probably gonna switch it out. People are telling me LS swap it. LS swapping is a lot more expensive, and like I said before, I do want to keep this a budget build. If we LS swap it, it's gonna take it way out of a budget build price range, so I kind of don't want to go that way. I want to do the 350. I know a 350 is probably the most common swap that people do in these trucks. We're definitely going to V8 swap it. That noise that you guys hear in the background, that's little man back there mowing the driveway. One last start. Let's see if she starts. Here's the keys, hon.
Okay, so choke's out, right? Ready? It's like
Try
a
it again.
mower. Are you gonna show me some special trick with this too?
Oh, like the mower? Let's try to get this thing started. Come on, babe, you got this. It's like trying to start that truck, isn't it?
What's your trick?
Give it some gas. Ooh, she tried.
No, I don't know.
Here, no, So, babe, what should we do? Huh?
I guess you have to get a new motor,
Yep.
since you're going to anyway.
Yeah,
You
so,
can fight with it.
right? Well, so if we get this new engine and I pull the plugs and it's got bad spark plugs or anything like that, we'll just get another new engine, right? Sun in your eyes?
Yeah.
So we haven't been able to get the truck started since the last video, and I've kind of gotten really frustrated with it. I'm just gonna let him fix it. I really don't know what's wrong with it. It's so
So
annoying.
to sum it up, you're just gonna get a new engine because you're gonna be getting this one started and then changing it anyway.
We're gonna go ahead, wrap this video up. I cannot wait until we actually get this truck driving on the road. So far, it's been a long process of not wanting to start, all the issues that we've ran into, but hopefully once we find the engine for this truck, I wanna go with a 350. We can finally get this thing, I guess, driving. Are you gonna drive it?
Yeah.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Even when we do bags?
We're not, so it doesn't matter.
I wanna bag it. What do you guys think about us swapping and putting
You
a
want to
350?
bag everything.
It will, I mean, this truck's gonna look perfect because I wanna go for that rat rod look. What do you guys think about the 350? And I know anybody that knows me, that may be only temporary. We're gonna put a 350 in it, get it in good driving order, because my goal is to take this truck to Cruise Week. What do you wanna do to the truck?
I mean, I like the rat rod look, but I don't want to do. I feel like this truck is too.
Too what? Too cool?
To like take it apart. Like if we did a rat rod, I feel like we would get something that was like already kind of messed up looking.
I just cannot wait until we can get this thing on the road and we're all like cruising around in it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already checked out the C10 build, there's a playlist on the channel. Check it out if you're new and you haven't seen those. But I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna put this at the very end of the video because Laura never stays until the very end. She always ends up leaving the video. But now that we know that we're doing an engine swap, we may end up doing bags before we actually get the engine in here. She doesn't know it, but we're bagging it. Don't tell her.